Once upon a time, in the quiet village nested between green hills, lived two sisters, Alaya and Zara. They were as different as night and day. Alaya, the elder, was calm, thought out, and loved books. Zara, the younger, was patient, adventurous, and always full of caution. Their parents were farmers and the girls often helped in the fields. But when work was done, they would escape to their favorite place, a small, open garden behind their house. The garden was wild and overgrown, but to them it was a magical kingdom. One summer evening, while pulling